Some Florida lawmakers and sheriffs want to allow people to carry concealed weapons without licenses.
A group of local Republican state lawmakers filed what supporters call a constitutional carry bill. News4 Jax reporter Brianna Andrews breaking it down for us this morning. Brianna, while supporters say that this is about protection, critics say it will put more lives at risk.
The proposal would allow lawful gun owners to carry a concealed firearm without having to get a government-issued permit. This law does not change who can and cannot carry a firearm. Floridians would no longer need to apply for a license for concealed carry. Non-Florida residents could carry concealed firearms if they are 21 or older under this proposal. Current Florida law allows people 21 and older to purchase firearms without need of state application aside from federal requirements for background checks. Also, current prohibitions on carrying guns at places such as schools and athletic events will still apply. House Speaker Paul Renner, who represents Palm Coast, announced the legislation yesterday.
Central to the idea of freedom is the right that we can defend ourselves against physical attack, as well as defend those that we love. The Constitution did not give us those rights. Our Creator gave us those rights, but it does put it down on paper in the Second Amendment. And the courts have interpreted that to mean an individual right to keep and bear arms for self-defense.
Local representatives Chuck Brannon of McClenny and Bobby Payne of Palatka sponsored the measure. Governor DeSantis has expressed his support for the concept in the past. Some are speaking out in opposition of the bill. The group Prevent Gun Violence Florida vowed to fight against the legislation and cited a clear link between lax gun laws and increased gun violence. Gail Schwartz is a member, and her nephew was one of the 17 people killed at Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School in 2018.
I'm strongly against permitless carry. I know more Floridians will be killed.
Representative Christine Hunchofsky is also criticizing the proposal. She was the mayor of Parkland at the time of the 2018 Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School mass shooting. She says in part, this is not constitutional carry, this is untrained carry. We have to be very clear and specific as to what the legislation actually does, and that it is to remove the training requirement. You will no longer have the check if you have something disqualifying you in your criminal record. Lawmakers will consider the proposal during the legislative session, which starts on March 7th. Now, if this becomes a law, it would make the U.S. a constitutional carry majority nation, since there are already 25 states that have similar laws in place. Reporting live, Brianna Andrews, Channel 4, the local station.